Annotation data can be used to paint the 3D model. Click the configuration window and navigate to Annotation Painting. Select the file format, cytoband, and click Paint Region or Paint Chromosome to implement the changes. To change the style of the 3D highlighted region, click Sphere or Cartoon under Paint Style. Click Paint Genome to view the entire genome. Use the mouse to rotate the image. Scroll in and out to zoom. To view USCS ref gene annotation, click the corresponding file format, click Choose File, and open the file. Click Paint Region to implement the changes. Here you see gene above the 3D structure. By clicking on this, you can change the corresponding color. Click Use Promoter Only to highlight only the promoter region. To change this color, click Promoter and select the desired color. To use files in a bed format with 9 columns, select the corresponding file format. Click Choose File and open the file. Here we are viewing the Chrome HMM annotation. Upload this file and click Paint Region. Here you can see the annotation and the 3D structure. To upload a bed file with 4 columns, select the corresponding file format. Click Choose File to open the file. This bed format will include the 4th column, which has the hex color value. We will upload the file and click Paint Region to implement the changes. To select 4D in compartment, select the corresponding file format, and then click Choose File to upload a text file containing the 4D information. Here, we'll upload the file and click Open. Here you can see that A and B compartments are represented in green and red. To change this, simply click on either A or B and select the desired color. To view the compartment subtypes, such as A1, A2, B1, B2, and etc., select RAW compartment from the file type. Select the corresponding bed file in the GZ format. This file was downloaded from the GEO database and contains information for A1, B1, A2, B2, and etc. Here you can see that by selecting Paint Region or Paint Chromosome, we can see these subtypes above. To change the colors, click on the subtype you would like to change and select the desired color. By clicking Paint Genome, you can view these subtypes over the entire genome.